The Center for Manufacturing Advancement is geared towards manufacturing optimization and helping industry drive emerging technology into their manufacturing processes to help them be more efficient, more effective, more profitable, and to be more impactful in terms of the products that they're manufacturing. What Navy has seen that's happening inside the building in terms of the collective and collaborative mix of services that are being provided, we are now able to help them provide solutions in emerging technology around additive manufacturing. You couple that with the new regional training center that will be completed in 2025 to train 800 to 1,000 students per year in skilled trades. It really creates a center of gravity for industry to want to be close, and I think it will have a magnetic impact in terms of attracting other industry here. If you have a well of talent, skilled talent that's being produced, and you have technology development that's helping industry become more competitive, who wouldn't want to be close to that? I think that's a perfect marriage of what service and value we can provide as a region to industry.